Good morning, students. Today our lesson is about area and the distributive property. It's lesson 7 in our chapter, pages 791, 794. First, let's remember together what do we mean by distributive property. As we know, distributive property allows us to decompose one factor, group it into parentheses, and then add the product to find the answer. As an example, we have 4 times 6. 6 can be 3 plus 3, 5 plus 1, or 4 plus 2. Here we chose 4 and 2. So in the first parenthesis we have 4 times 4, and in the other parenthesis 4 times 2. 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 16 plus 8, 24. Here is also a quick revision about the area. What is the area of this rectangle? Simply by counting the tiles, we can find that the area is 6 square units. And also by following the rule, which is area equal length times width, we will find that the length is 3 and the width, which is the rows, are 2. So 3 times 2, 6 square units. Now let's move to example 1. In example 1, we have this rectangle with a length of 6 units and the width of 5 units. They are asking us if the length increased by 2 units. Increased, that means we will add 2. Add, it means the number will be bigger, okay? What is the area of this rectangle, which is the green rectangle, and we will label it by A. It is 30. Or by counting, or 6 times 5, which are the length and the width, will give us 30. So the area of this rectangle A, that we call it A, is 30 square units. Now they asked us to shade more units square, so the length is increased by 2. But the width, which is 5, will not change. So the width is 5 and the length, it will be increased by 2. So look at the pink one. Look at the pink rectangle, please. You can see that the pink rectangle has a width of 5, which is the same as A, but length 2. Just look at B and ignore A, okay? B only has 2 as a length and 5 as a width. So the area of B is 10. Now we have to add the areas of A and B. The area of rectangle A is 6, which is the length, and 5, which is the width. Look at A, 6 length, 5 width. And for B, 2 length and 5 width. So we will just add them together. The first parenthesis is for rectangle A, 6 times 5 plus 2 times 5 for rectangle B. So 30 plus 10 is 40. So the area of the larger rectangle is 40 square units. To check, we will go back to our rectangle, the big one, to find that the length is 8. 6 for A, 2 for B, so 8. And the width is the same. So 8 times 5, 40.